I've been riding with Grandpa all morning. That's our second load of the day. I'm gonna go down to the pasture. He couldn't find the cows this morning. I'm guessing they were just down at the creek getting a drink or something. So I'm just gonna go check on them. I gotta run to the house, lay some steaks out for lunch to thaw out. And then we're gonna get that. We got 2 more loads and then we'll take that to town. We're hoping for a whole nother truckload in this field. Don't know if it's gonna happen or not, but and then we got that 14 acres at county line of corn. We won't finish this today. The elevator don't open till noon and they close at 6. So we're gonna get this load in, possibly take, fill the truck till 5 o'clock. Take that in, that way we're empty to run the rest of the night. Also, Grandpa's cutting. I have to get that old tractor hooked up to the gravity wagon. We store, 75 to 100 bushels in there every year. We sell it to people for deer corn, keep it and grind it with soybean meal, put it in that grain bin for our cows. We just always like to have a little bit extra. So I gotta do that. I gotta get that baler unhooked. I'm gonna get the grain cart hooked up to that new tractor. All right, well, good. Coming out to me, they must have just been either down there or over there getting a drink or up on top of that hill over there. So I'm just glad I don't have to spend all day walking the neighbor's pasture looking for them. So I'm gonna get these, there's some barrels in front of the gravity wagon I need to move. All right, the truck's full. We started it. We're building air pressure in the airbags. Grandpa just got her tarped up. We're getting ready to head to town. All right, we just got back from town. I'm gonna try to get the truck filled again and make it back in before 6 o'clock when the elevator closes. Starting this new truck. First dump into it. that traction tire aired up. I'm gonna get this tractor hooked up to the gravity wagon. I have to put air in those tires. I might take it over across the street for Grandpa to dump a corn into. All right, gravity wagon's hooked up. Tires are all aired up. I somehow backed it up here. I hate that. I have these 4-wheel wagons. So, heading to the field now. All right, I got the grain bin down here. I'm not sure when he's gonna fill that. We're trying to get the truck into town before 6, so, because that's when the elevator closes on Sunday. So, we may wait to fill that till after he gets back. I'm gonna go talk to him. All right, Grandpa's dumping that corn into the gravity wagon. I'm gonna go start the semi to get the air pressure building up and the airbags and the brakes. And he's gonna head to town. I have to stay home and do a couple things at the house. All right, so we're getting this gravity wagon backed into the shed. I have no clue how Grandpa's doing this because this thing is a pain to back up, but he's getting it like it's nothing. So I guess just years of experience doing it. But all right, we got her backed up there. We just pushed her in the rest of the way. I'm gonna get this tractor put away. There we go, we just pushed her back there a little bit. Flat concrete is pretty easy. Grandpa's getting the new truck put away. All right, let's shut off the lights. Kill the tractor. Grandpa's getting the new pickup put away. We've probably only got a combine load, maybe a combine load and a half over there left to cut. Grandpa's one loading it right now. I'll probably go ahead and finish that tomorrow and head over to the county line and get that corn cut. All right, that's all put away. That might be a wrap on the night. We might go finish that field of corn, I don't know. I'm gonna go and watch a little bit of the Chiefs game and talk to Grandpa, see what our plan is. But if that's it, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this corn harvest video, and probably won't get another one, so I'll get a video of cutting beans. Have a good one.